It's a lot, man. It's a lot to talk about. It's a lot to think about. I really tried to control my emotions the last couple of weeks. Once I told these guys that I wasn't coming back next year, I'm thrilled, obviously, with what they've done with that in the back of their minds, and with my staff, with that in the back of their minds. I'm just really thankful for this group of guys, coaches and players included. It's very tough, but obviously it's a great feeling now.
They're the greatest kids I know, man. I'm just proud to be the bus driver for them, you know. Green Wave Demon, go! Yes!